Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this segment, we'll be exploring the nutritional benefits of tuna sashimi, how to serve it like a pro, and the important safety tips to keep in mind when eating raw fish. Let's get into it. Selecting and preparing tuna for sashimi. Getting tuna sashimi right starts long before the first slice hits the plate. Picking the best fish and handling it with care sets the stage for safe, flavorful sashimi. Whether you're a home cook or a curious diner, knowing what to look for and how to prepare it makes all the difference. How to identify sushi-grade tuna. Sushi-grade tuna isn't just a fancy label. It's a promise of safety, freshness and taste. Here's how to spot tuna that's safe and delicious for sashimi. Color. Bright, even color means fresh tuna. For bluefin and yellowfin, look for deep red or pink tones. Brown or dull patches are a warning sign. The fish is likely old or poorly handled. Texture. Fresh tuna feels firm and springy, never mushy or slimy. When you press it lightly, it should bounce back. Avoid tuna with a sticky or tacky surface, as this often points to spoilage. Smell. Quality sashimi tuna shouldn't have a strong fishy odor. You want a subtle, clean, almost ocean-like scent. Strong smells mean it's past its best. Sauce. Always look for reputable suppliers, preferably those who specialize in seafood or Japanese cuisine. Ask if the tuna is certified as sushi-grade or sashimi-grade. This means it's been frozen to kill parasites and handled with extra care. Packaging. Tuna for sashimi should be sold chilled and tightly wrapped. Any signs of excess liquid, dried edges or unclear labeling are reasons to walk away. Choosing top-notch tuna keeps your sashimi not just tasty but also safe to eat. Techniques for slicing tuna sashimi. Slicing tuna the right way brings out its best qualities. Smooth texture, even taste, and beautiful appearance. Japanese chefs practice these skills for years, but even at home, you can get close by following some clear steps. Knife choice. Use a long, sharp knife with a thin blade. A Yanagiba, Japanese sashimi knife, is perfect, but any well-honed chef's knife will work in a pinch. Chill the tuna. Slightly chill the tuna in the fridge before slicing. It makes clean slices easier and keeps the texture firm. Cutting style. Always slice across the grain. This shortens muscle fibers and keeps the bite tender. Slice thickness. Aim for slices about a 1/4 inch thick. Too thin and the fish falls apart. Too thick and it loses that melt in your mouth feeling. Knife movement. Use one smooth, single motion per slice. Sawing back and forth can tear the fish and ruin the look. Handling. Use gentle hands. Avoid pressing down hard. Try to touch the fish as little as possible to keep it cool and clean. A few extra tips can help. Keep your knife wet with a damp cloth between cuts to stop sticking. Place each slice flat on the plate. Never stack them. So each piece looks inviting and neat. Serve straight away, while the fish is cold and fresh. By focusing on these techniques, you can create an impressive platter of tuna sashimi at home or appreciate the artistry behind it when you dine out. Nutritional benefits of tuna sashimi. Tuna sashimi is more than just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. It offers healthy fats, plenty of protein, and essential vitamins without the added calories or carbs found in many other dishes. Here's a closer look at why it's a great addition to any diet. Protein powerhouse. A standard serving of tuna sashimi, about 3 ounces, provides around 20 to 25 grams of protein. This high-quality protein helps build and repair muscles, tissues, and cells, making it a solid choice for anyone active or looking to support their overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that support heart health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regularly eating sashimi-style tuna can keep your heart and mind sharp, low in calories and carbs. With no rice, mayo, or fried elements, tuna sashimi is very low in calories and carbs. It's a great option for those watching their waistline or following a low-carb or keto diet. You'll get a satisfying meal without overloading on carbs. Vitamins and minerals. Tuna is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium. These support everything from energy production to immune function, making tuna sashimi a nutritious, balanced choice. Mercury concerns. While tuna is packed with benefits, it's important to consider mercury content, especially in larger fish like bluefin. Eating tuna in moderation is key. Pregnant women, children, and those with compromised immune systems should be extra cautious when consuming high-mercury fish like tuna. Enjoying tuna sashimi safely. Eating raw fish is a real treat, but it requires some precautions to ensure safety. Here are some key tips to enjoy tuna sashimi with confidence. Freshness is key. Always choose Sushi-Grade or Sashimi-Grade tuna. This means it's been frozen at specific temperatures to kill parasites, which is a must when consuming raw fish. Keep it cold. Sashimi is best enjoyed chilled. Keep the tuna on ice and avoid letting it sit at room temperature for too long to prevent bacteria growth. Moderation. Since tuna contains higher mercury levels than some other fish, it's wise to enjoy sashimi in moderation, especially for pregnant women and children. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.